MAS GMR Aerotechnic Limited welcomes you to its most modern maintenance, repair and overhaul facility at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. MAS GMR Aerotechnic is a first-of-its-kind MRO in India which offers high-end maintenance services to all airlines. Our mission is to be a leader in the airframe MRO business in the region. MAS GMR Aerotechnic Limited is a 100% wholly owned subsidiary of MAS GMR Aerospace Engineering Company Limited, a joint venture of Malaysian Aerospace Engineering and GMR Hyderabad International Airport Limited. Spread over an area of 30 acres adjacent to the Hyderabad Airport, this vast MRO facility caters to all the MRO needs of airlines. This facility can be expanded to another 20 acres in future. Currently, this facility comprises 3 mega hangars, 1 wide-body hangar to accommodate 1 A330 or B777 aircraft. In the absence of a wide-body aircraft, this hangar can accommodate 2 narrow-body aircraft. 1 narrow-body hangar with 2 bays to accommodate 2 narrow-body aircrafts. 1 narrow-body hangar with 1 bay, which is a world-class paint hangar for aircraft painting on narrow-body aircrafts. Apart from regular maintenance, it is fully equipped to perform rub-down, paint stripping and repainting the aircraft. All these hangars are supported by workshops which are self-sufficient for airframe maintenance and installed with excellent docking systems and ground support equipment. This facility has obtained the regulatory approvals from Directorate General of Civil Aviation, India, under Civil Aviation Requirement 145 and Part 145 of European Aviation Safety Agency EASA to perform airframe maintenance checks for ATR 42 and ATR 72, Boeing 737NG and A320 aircraft types. MAS GMR Aerotechnic is capable of providing aircraft maintenance services, aircraft painting, upgradation and modification of avionic systems on aircraft, refurbishment of interiors, structural repairs, major and minor component replacements. These activities are supported by workshops like NDT Shop to carry out all non-destructive testing work by the method of fluorescent penetrant inspection, magnetic particle testing, ultrasound testing and radiography. Paint Shop to rub down, paint strip and repaint the aircraft components completely. Composite Shop to repair composite aircraft structure and cabin items. Seat Shop for repair and refurbishment of aircraft seats including passenger and cockpit seats. Carpet and Upholstery Shop to clean and stitch new carpets and upholstery. Flight Control Shop for repairing and balancing the flight controls. Structure Shop to carry out processes like disassembly, cleaning, inspection, repair and assembly, balancing, structural repairs and modification. Machine Shop to fabricate minor aircraft parts and tools required for aircraft. Battery Shop to service and overhaul aircraft nickel-cadmium batteries. Welding Shop to weld aircraft parts. Oxygen Shop to maintain and refill portable oxygen cylinders. Galley Equipment Shop to refurbish and repair galleys. Heat Treatment Shop to support structures and welding shops. Plating Shop for cadmium plating on minor fabricated parts. Chemical Cleaning Shop. Stores and Warehouse to store consumables and rotables. A large group of world-class aircraft maintenance engineers, supported by well-trained technical staff, are engaged in providing maintenance, repair and overall services. Our MRO facility's strategic location at the Hyderabad Airport itself is a great value addition to our client airlines. Hyderabad is just 2 hours of flying time away from all major cities in India. Similarly, most of the Middle East and Southeast Asian cities are 3 to 5 hours flying time away from Hyderabad. The location thus greatly helps in achieving logistical efficiency. We have efficient supply chain network with approved suppliers all over to ensure availability of tools, spares and consumables in time. We assure our clients quick and reliable turnaround time, high quality standards, competitive rates. We strive to deliver what we promise, and we deliver. For further information and inquiries, please visit our website www.masgmraerotech.in.